kayo madapa. Okay? Up to here. Also, we have a bandana. All you have to do is to wear it on your head and tie it under your chin. Okay? And also, we have a bag. Just put it on your shoulder. Okay, yes. Can you po today? Hindi. Okay, yung bag sa shoulder lang. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo, pag nasuot na, carry talaga today. Okay, susuot mo po sa head mo. Tayo mo under your chin. Pagdala mo ba? Okay. So, pag sinabi kong go, suot nyo lang siya. Yeah, it's up to you. Kahit alin lang unahin. And you can help your members. Okay? You can help each other. Okay, pag nasuot na lahat, all you have to do is to walk or run, but you have to wiggle your hips. Okay? Like this. When you stop here, wiggle 3 times. 1, 2, 3, balik. Okay?
Kaya mo yan,
and you have to pass it to the next member of the group. Okay? When I say go.
Come on.
Ready?
Go, stand up.
May music pa ako. Ready and...
Go!
Okay, ready and go! Look at how we got there!
Let's go! Beep!
Under your chin! Under your chin!
Papay-pay nyo!
Okay, stop right here. We go 3 times. Alright,
Go, Grace!
no problem. You go on. Okay. Next. Yan!
Alan! Binidyo mo!
Here we go! Oh, bigay kami sa'yo. Kumali pa nahiya. Okay, next. Go, 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 go! We go 3 times! 1, 2, 3!
Mga kabebe. Paano yan? Sayo, Maricol!
Sabi ko, under your chin, under your nose.
Yay!
May winner na tayo, ah? Green team.
Hindi na natagal ng mga taga-stein ba?
Stand up!
Green team, here's your prize.
Kung hindi lang butis si Ate Sonia, hindi nagano eh.
Hindi umabot!
Thank you. Where is Mommy?
Hindi umabot, isunya.
Ay. Yeah.
Daddy, Daddy.
Hindi umabot.
Napahirap pa ni Pari kaya.
Superstore, kaso wala nang price, i-transfer na lang. Pwede ba?
Yes!
Pwede ba? Okay. Yung mga taga-superstore daw po, dito sa harap. Pwede ito sa buntis. Okay? Pwede sa buntis.
Buti na, taga...
Sige, kahit sino. Kahit sino.
Ito, isa, dalawa, tatlo.
Sige, yung gusto. Pwede na sa lahat kahit ilan. Yung gusto mo
Seven.
dito sa harap.
Si Ate Angel.
Last game na to, last game na. Kahit sino. Okay?
Ate Sky, ate.